Yo, what's good, fam? It's Wednesday, and GameStop just dropped their Q4 2024 10K, straight fire. We're going to chop it up, break down the juicy bits, and peek at what's next. Stocks popping 15% in pre-market, sitting pretty at $29.21. Love that energy. Let's dive in and see what's cooking. This GameStop ride's been a roller coaster, yo. Highs, lows, hype, and some serious gut punches. Way back, that first profit quarter had us hyped like, turnaround's here. Then it got messy, but now we're flexing 3 quarters straight of cash flow. 2 whole years in the green. Shout out to the squad running the show. Value tabs lit up like a Christmas tree for 2024. I was calling a bull run early, but it took its sweet time. Q4 came through, 2023 squeaked by with a W, and now 2024 is clowning on analyst guesses. Q1 might keep the streak alive, don't sleep on it, but we'll save that tea for later. Let's get into the meat of this 10K. You're here for the real talk. Then vibe on some data and what's poppin' next. Shareholder equity's up because we're stacking profits. Assets took a mild dip. Q4 inventory dump, no biggie. They're bossing inventory moves, probably ditching dusty stock for the high-profit goods. Liabilities? Down, fam. Leases peacing out. And equities hitting heights we ain't seen in forever. That $4.8 billion cash stack from last year's share hustle, it's straight carrying us. Revenue? I overshot. Fam, always do. Guessed $1.5 billion, but we came up short. Why? They axed 480 more stores than I called. Wild cuts. Figure 400K a store, that's $200 million gone. Right there. Cost of sales dropped under 72%. Beat my wildest dreams. SG&A's chunky because of those closings, but net income? 30 cents a share. Analysts were sleeping at 8 cents. We're leveling up quarter after quarter. Revenue per store is at 400K this holiday, down from 430K last year. I'm itching for that to climb as they ditch the flops. But closing 1,000 stores ain't cheap. Might be the bottom, hoping it pops off by next March. Bear case still lurking, though. Software's at 26%, lowest ever. Revenue's a measly $3.8 billion, weakest in history. And we're down to 3,200 stores, half of 2012's count. But that profit vibe? That's why we're up. $4.8 billion in the bank. Chillin' at 4% interest is our shield. Software was 70% of the pie 14 years back. Now it's 26%. Collectibles, though, up to 20% from 5.7%. Big flex. They're slaying it with hardware and accessories. PSA deal might be pulling crowds. Revenue missed because I botched the store count call. Half the leases are up this year. Another fat trim's on deck. They're all about that quick profit life, and it's hitting my predictions dead on. That $3.5 billion from selling 140 million shares, pulling $140 million a year now, more than their whole 2006-2024 haul. GameStop's low-key a hedge fund, snagged shares at $129 way back, flipped them at $25. Dilution's their cheat code. The 10K is all about stacking value over retail now. They're talking Bitcoin and stablecoins, fam. Margins are fat, stores are ghosting, inventory's lean, and 69.5 million shares still locked in direct reg, down 1.5 mil. After hours was a shorting brawl. Volume went nuts. Cohen Securities 250K, pennies with that cash pile. What's next? 3 quarters, 2 years of wins, S&P 500's dangling at $46 a share for a $20.5 billion cap. This cash wall's got the core operation looking tight. Margins 6.3%, miles from the red days. Analysts ate dust, but we pegged equity. Stocks at $29.21 pre-market, charted it on lock. Options are bananas. $29 and $30 calls could roast shorts. Gamma's brewing, ETF moves are wild. Bull run or chill sesh. Wednesday's gonna slap big ups. GameStop.